Mollusca is one of the most diverse groups of animals on the planet, with at least 50,000 living species. Mollusca also includes some lesser-known groups, like the monoplacophorans, a group once thought to be extinct for millions of years, until one was found in 1952 in the deep ocean off the coast of Costa Rica. Ecosystem in the world. Mollusca are extremely important members of many ecological communities. They range in distribution from celestial mountain tops to the hot vent and cold seas of the deep sea, and range in size from 20-meter long giant squid to microscopic placophorans, a millimeter or less in length. These creatures have been important to humans throughout history as a source of food, jewelry, tools, and even pets. For example, on the Pacific coast of California, Native Americans consume large quantities of abalone and especially old limpets. Besides having yummy soft parts, mollusca often have desirable hard parts. The shell of some mollusca are considered quite beautiful and valuable. Mollusca can also be nuisance such as the common garden snail, and mollusca make up a major component of fowling community both on dock and on the hull of ships.
Molluscs systematic are still the facts. There are still no agreement on some of the major relationships. The polytomy shows intricate that the question of which molluscs are the most closely related is still a matter of debate. However, new types of data and much larger and more sophisticated analyses continue to be performed. The resolved relationships show such as cephalopods, scatopods, and gastropods are research discovered. Despite their amazing diversity of mollusks share some unique characters that define their body plan. The body has a head, a foot, and visceral mesh. This is all covered with a metal that typically secretes the shell. Mollusks are coelomates, although the coelom is reduced and repelled by the criny, gurney, and pericardium. The main body cavity with the surround and the heart. The basal cavity as the interior of the mollusk contains a medulla, a ribbon of fish supported by a molluscal structure. The medulla is generally used the feeding, and ventral food is used in commotion. This food propels the mollusk by using muscular waves and auxilia in combination with muscle.
Life history and ecology. Mollusks occur in almost every habitat found on Earth, where they are often the most conspicuous organisms, while most are found in the marine environment, extending from the interior to the deepest ocean. Several major gastropods clades live predominantly in freshwater or terrestrial habitats. Many marine mollusks emerge from their eggs as planktonic tocopolarvae. However, sinistral pond snails emerge from their eggs as young snails. The whitish jellybean-shaped organisms are osteopods. Marine mollusks occur on a large variety of substrates, including rocky shore, coral reef, mudflats, and sandy beaches. Gastropods and chiton are characteristic of these hard substrates, and bivalves are commonly associated with softer substrates where they burrow into the sediment However, there are many exceptions. The largest living bivalves, Tridacna gigas, live on coral reef, and many bivalves attach themselves to hard substrate. Some microscopic gastropods even live interstitially between sand grains. Large concentration of gastropods and bivalves are found at hydrothermal vents in the deep sea. Living in these osterdiozoic habitats appear to be a mesomorphic condition for the mollusca and several outgroups. For example, the fauna of Paleozoic hydrothermal vent communities include the molluscan group Bivalvia, Monoplacophora, and Gastropoda, as well as the outgroup Brachiopoda and Annelida.
The mollusca include some of the ordered metazoans, known as Precambrian rock of southern Australia and the White Sea region. In northern Russia, constant bilaterally symmetrical benthic animals with a unusual shell Kimberlilla that resemble those of mollusks. The area's univocal mollusks are hairy Oneoloid mollusks that formless idioscalan rock in the area Cambrian. The zero Cephalopoda are also present. Most of the familiar groups, including Gastropods, Phylum, Monoplacophora, and Rostocons, all that from the area Cambrian. Various cephalopods are first found in the Middle Cambrian, Polyplacophorans in the West Cambrian, and the Scapopoda in the Middle Ordovician. Most of these area taxa tend to be small. The less Vendian area Cambrian taxa bear little resemblance to the Cambrian Ordovician taxa. After their initial appearance, molluscan taxonomic diversity tends to remain low until the Ordovicians, when gastropods, bivalves, and cephalopods show large increase in the diversity. In the Cretaceous extinction event, cephalopod diversity is much more variable than the Paleozoic. The remaining group maintain low diversity over the entire Paleozoic Tropicale extinction.